facilities na dapat ibibigay nila sa communities. Sige po, next slide. Okay, ito namang slide na to, parang listahan din po ito ng mga basic services and facilities na na-devolve sa ating local government unit. Kasi based nga po LG Code, marami pong mga function national government na sa ating local government unit. And dyan nga po ang ilan sa na-devolve na policy guidance lang na po ngayon ang binibigay ng NCAs na dati sa kanila yan, sila na nag-implement. Pero ngayon po, may full responsibility po ang ating LGU. At tulad nga nitong agri-extension, on-site research, ng DA, community-based forestry ng DNR, PhilHealth and hospital services ng DOH, public works and infrastructure projects ng DPWH. Ito ang skill building program ng DepEd. So, ito lang po yung na-devolve na basic services po and facilities sa ating LG from DepEd. And of course, yung madami na devolved kay LGU yung sa DSWD, Social Welfare Services. And then the tourism facilities, promotion and development from DOT. Telecommunication services po ng DOT ulit pero sa province and Civilian. And other services and investments support industrial research and development. Pagdating naman sa regulatory powers na na-devolve o na-ibigay sa LGUs, based nga po sa provisions ng Local Government Code, and ito, reclassification of agri-lands, enforcement of environmental laws, and DNR, inspection of blue products, quarantine, DOH, enforcement ng National Depot, ng DPWH, operation ng tricycle, and then approval ng subdivision plans. Dati, disod na ngayon itong HLURD, and then establishment ng active and campsites. The next is like, but ito naman, parang para lang may idea kayo, parang yun framework lang naman po ito ng local government operation na from the given mandates of the LG Code to our LGUs. Kumbaga, ito po yung desired local development po ng ating community nationwide. At yung development planning, sila po yung nag-head or talaga kailangan pa-ensure nila na yung lahat ng laws sa development planning is po comply to implement nila. Yung fiscal resource management, kailangan may local legislation, community mobilization, and yung performance monitoring and evaluation. Sige po.